Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to get a free RDP server without using a credit card. So let's get started. First, browse for a free RDP server and open the exact website I'm using. So remember the logo and click on this side I'm using. Then you will see the interface like this. Scroll down a little and you'll see there three different plans: learner, premium and elite. You need to go with the learner plan, so click on start trial. There you will find two different sections for details. In the first one, enter your name and email address. You can use your Gmail or a temp mail as well, so go to temp mail. As you know, I'm using this in incognito tab, so it requires human verification. Let me verify it real quick. Open this first site and create a free temporary email address. Whatever the email you'll see, just copy it and paste it there. And click on subscribe and you'll see a message saying thanks for subscribing. For the second part, enter your full name, paste the same email address you copied earlier, and choose a username you want to use. Then select your country. Enter a strong password and confirm the same password. For how do you know about us, select Google, and for what product you like to use, select RDP and then click on submit. You will see a message saying that you are registered and need to verify your email. So go back to temp mail, refresh the inbox and wait a little. There you can see we receive an email verification message from RDP server. Open it and click on verify your email address. Once you click on verify that, you'll see a dashboard like this. Scroll a little bit down and you'll again see two different plans. Since we signed up for the learner plan, so click on access now right under the learner plan. There you'll find two options for launch now for 1 day and 30 days. Let's try 30 days plan first. But you'll notice it asks you to sign up again. So go back and select the 1 day plan instead and let it be load. Meanwhile, you can see we have received our username and password for 1 day access. Copy the username and password one by one and paste them into the new window. And at the end, click login. Finally, you'll see that your RDP is connected. It may take a couple of minutes at the start to fully load. In my case, the RDP server is already connected. Now let's verify it. Go to settings, system settings, scroll down a little and click on about. Here you can check and confirm that the details match exactly what we saw earlier when selecting the learner plan for the RDP server. So guys, I hope you are all using this for educational purposes only and not for anything inappropriate. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to like it and comment if you want more helpful tutorial like this.